I recently made a post in USC subreddit titled, "Things I Wish I Knew at USC." It was really cool to see what people had to share, and I wanted to make this video for any student or any new student considering going to USC so that you can take advantage of all of those really cool opportunities. I'm Eesen, a proud USC graduate, and I work as a consultant full-time, but in my part-time, I mentor students and I help them land jobs and internships. Before I jump right into it, I would really appreciate it if you could smash that like button for me and also hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell right next to it. So with that, let's get started. Number 1, Catalina Island. Did you know USC has a marine science center? And any student, regardless of your major, can take the ENST scientific diving course as an elective and get certified to do research. What's really cool is that you can also ride the USC boat to Catalina as well. All you need to do is ask permission and wake up by 5 a.m. And I've posted a link to this in the description box below so that you will know exactly who to contact to get more information on this. Point number 2, free software. What's nice about USC is that they offer tons of free software. As long as you're a student, you will have access to all of this software. Here's a website of all the software available campus-wide for students. In addition, you can also get access to a VDI that has all the software pre-installed. And here's the website you can go to get access to that VDI. Point number 3, GE hacks. If you were enrolled at USC before fall 2015 like me, then you only had to complete 6 GE requirements because USC was on a number system. But now you have to fulfill 10 GE requirements to fulfill their new letter system. Here are some tips that you should be aware of. Take GEs that will count for 2 requirements. Yes, there are GEs that will double count so that you do not have to take 10 classes. And you can also take a GE as a pass-no-pass class even if that GE will double count for 2 requirements. Remember to talk to your advisor. Point number 4, Adobe Certification through Annenberg. What's really nice about Annenberg is that they offer certification classes. And I'm talking classes like Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, or After Effects. These classes are 10 weeks long during the semester and you will take a test at the end to get certified. When I was a student, I pursued a Photoshop certification and got it done because I had a minor in Annenberg. Now, you must be an Annenberg student. So what I recommend is take up a minor in Annenberg. And if you choose not to pursue it, you can drop it before you graduate. And that's actually what I did. I was able to pursue a Photoshop certification, get certified, take all the classes, because I had a minor and I dropped it before I graduated. I get that they want to limit the attendance to only Annenberg students, but we pay so much money, I think anyone who wants to take these classes should be allowed to. What's also nice is the fact that you can get access to Adobe software like Photoshop and Premiere Pro completely for free. Point number 5, Marshall's 3-course limit. Now also possibly to limit how many students are in a class if you're not a Marshall student, which means you're not a Marshall major or a Marshall minor. Then you can only take 3 classes at Marshall. The way you bypass this is just sign up for a minor. If you choose not to pursue it, you can drop it later. Once again, I think they do it to limit the number of students. Point number 6, Dornsife Programs to be aware of. Now, if you're a Dornsife student, they have a program called SOAR, Student Opportunities for Academic Research. This program, called SOAR, provides funding for undergraduate academic research and one-on-one mentoring. And next, they also have a program called SURF, the Summer Undergraduate Research Fund, where students can apply for grants for up to $3,000 to pursue research over the summer on or off campus. If you're struggling to get an internship and you're a Dornsife student, this is a great opportunity to pursue so that you can have a productive summer. Now, if politics are your thing, the Unruh Institute provides many opportunities for research. For this as well, I've left a link in the description box below to get more information. Point number 7, make a trip to the Special Collections Office. Apparently, USC has a book worth about $12 million and a bunch of other really cool stuff, and you can see it anytime you like if you make an appointment with the Special Collections Office. This is something I'm definitely going to do the next time I'm at USC. Hopefully they allow alumni to see this as well. Here's how you can contact the Special Collections Office, and the link for this is also in the description box below. Point number 8, must take classes. This isn't a conclusive list, but here's a list of classes I think you should take. Number 1, be sure to take BAEP 470, the Entrepreneurial Mindset Taking the Leap. This is a class I took in my last semester at USC. What's really nice about this class is all you do is you get to listen to speakers and entrepreneurs every single week, and I'm talking people like Gary Vaynerchuk and even the great Kobe Bryant. If you're interested in an easy class, take CTCS 466 Theatrical Film Symposium. Unfortunately, I didn't take this class because I didn't have the space for it, but you get to watch movies, film screenings, and get guest speakers including directors and actors. I've also heard it's an easy A, so you might as well go for it if you have the space. Class number 3, ITP 104, a web design class. Every student I've spoken with who's taken this class has told me that this is one of the most useful classes they took while they were at USC. It's a 2-unit class where you will learn how to design a website. Pretty cool, and this will give you the opportunity to freelance. Class number 4, PHED 115. So for all of you who have wanted to learn how to surf and want to take this chance while you're in school to do it, take this class. Point number 9, free HBO for USC students. If you're a USC student, you will have access to HBO. I've been told a lot that you need to be on campus, but I lived about a 5-minute walk away from campus and I was able to access HBO. And I've heard that other students who live even further can access HBO as well. The last point on this list, sign up for classes on time. Even though USC is a private school, there is always a rush to get into classes, and sometimes the class may fill up well before you can even get into it. So make sure you're aware of when your class registration date and time is, and be sure to sign up classes appropriately so that you don't miss your chance to register so you can get into the classes you want. So those are a list of the 10 things people wish they knew when they were students at USC. I hope you learned something new. Please leave your feedback, suggestions, and tips in the comment section below. Fight on, and I'll see you in the next video.